Welcome to my repair kit. I'm Jacobson. In this video, I'll show you the proper techniques for a French polish. The first thing I'm going to do is wipe it down with denatured alcohol. The top appears to have some type of residue, probably cleaning products used over the years. I started sanding with 600 grit sandpaper. You should sand in the direction of the grain of the wood. Don't worry yourself too much about the inlay on the front and rear edge going in the opposite direction. Now that we've prepped the top, it's time to begin French polishing. I'm going to show you two techniques. This first is called the circular technique. It's just like waxing a car. Small circular strokes. This liquid I'm using is called Lackover by Mohawk Finishes. The second technique we'll talk about I refer to as east to west or left to right. This is the actual speed of my hand during the application. This video is not sped up at this moment. During this process, you will be often filling your rag with more Lackover. For more information about the rag I'm using or techniques to make a French polishing cloth, I made a video on the topic on my YouTube channel. If you notice, I'm working in quadrants. There's 4 quadrants on this dresser top. The 2 inner areas that I'm working on and the 2 outer areas that I haven't yet touched. When working on large surfaces, you will have to move back and forth to different quadrants so that previously worked on areas have time to dry. The circular French polishing technique is good for building the finish up initially, but you always have to finish with the east to west pattern, which is what we're going to do as I speed this up a little bit. You should still regularly be adding Lackover to your rag and also opening your rag and repositioning it to new areas to continue French polishing. Now that all 4 quadrants have been worked on, we're going to start widening our east to west strokes so we can blend the finish over the entire top. And for the final application, you have to widen your strokes all the way from edge to edge of the surface to create a flawless finish. For more in-depth information about this topic, you can read the book I wrote called My Repair Kit, Repair Furniture Like a Professional, a masterclass by Jacobson. Thank you for checking out My Repair Kit. Gloss on gloss, look at that sparkle, fill that rag, glide so remarkable. Wipe and swipe, left, right in sync, French polish on point, make 'em all blink.